How to add search bar to Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add search bar to Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And once you've logged in and you're on your website's page, by the top part of the screen, you will see the edit icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the edit page. Here you can edit things where you want. And next thing for you to do is to select the section where you want the search bar to occur. This is the section for me. And then once you selected this section, by the top left corner of the screen, you will see add block. Okay, that is our focus in this tutorial. Just click on add block, and once you've clicked on add block, you will taken to you a box will be displayed showing you a list of options of things that can be added to your site. So just scroll down until you see search bar, or instead in the search icon you can just click on search. As you can see here, search. Just click on search. Once you clicked on it, a box would pop up, and from here you can edit it using any of these tools. You can edit it by clicking on this pencil icon. If you want to search a specific page or display, just set it the way you want it to be. Once that is done, by the top left corner of the screen, you click on save. But first of all, you have to select a session to search on. Just select the session and click on save. Once that is done, the search bar will be added automatically to your site. I am sure this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.